Hey, Chase Craig here with Own Boise and Keller Williams Realty Boise. And today I'm here with our amazing lender and one of the top lenders in the Valley, Carrie Braga with Fairway Mortgage. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm great. Thank you for taking the time to let us come to your business and do a business spotlight. Today we're going to really hit Carrie up for one of the top 3 myths that are facing buyers in today's market. And I guess before we do that, why don't we get to know Carrie just a little bit. So where are you from, Carrie?
Right here. So I was born and raised in the Valley.
So you're an Idaho native.
I am.
Awesome. Myself as well, one of the few, right? We see a lot of people moving into the area because it's so great. Don't run into a ton of natives anymore. So.
No.
How about this? How long have you been in the financial industry?
So I've been in the financial industry for 20 years. I've specialized in mortgage lending for 13.
So you've done a few loans.
Just.
So this is probably the right person that can answer these questions for us today. So let's just dive right into the content. Tell us, what's the top myth that you think buyers are dealing with in today's market?
So the top myth is that you need a large down payment to buy a home.
Okay.
A lot of people still think they need 20% down.
Wow.
That's what we hear.
Wow. And so they don't need 20% down?
No. We can get people in a home with as little 0 to 0.5% down.
Wow. Wow. And, I get that all the time too. People think they need a lot of money to be able to buy a house. Mm-hmm. And the reality is there's programs that Carrie and her team offer that, you can have a little bit down, sometimes even none. So, awesome. How about this? What's the second myth that you guys run into?
Second myth is that they don't want us to pull their credit because it'll hurt their score. So, yeah, I mean, your points may drop just a few, but what we found is that it hurts you a lot more not to look at your credit score or see what's on your credit report.
What would happen if they decided not to pull their credit until the last minute when they absolutely had to? Because in order for them to get a loan, they have to pull their credit,
They have to pull credit. We've got to look at it.
So at some point, they're going to have to pull credit.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And what we found is that if somebody waits until right when they want to make an offer on a home, sometimes we pull credit, they think they're fine, and we pull it. And we had a person where their identity was stolen. Their credit ended up being a mess.
Wow.
And that takes months.
Yeah, so months. So if you wanted to buy in 6 months from now and you choose not to get with someone like Carrie, get with a great lender and get approved, you might have issues that require time.
Right, yes.
Okay, great. Now when they do meet with you and they do pull credit, is there any obligation?
No.
Does it cost them any money?
No.
Okay, perfect. So there's really no reason why they couldn't meet with you.
Absolutely.
Okay, great. So what's the third myth that we want to talk about today?
The third myth is that the lowest rate out there is the best deal.
Okay. And I've heard this before as well, go shop rates, get rates. Mm-hmm. So how is that a myth?
So it's not necessarily the lowest interest rate. You need to look for the lowest APR, the annual percentage rate.
Okay, so what is interest rate versus APR?
Right. So the APR is the interest rate plus any fees involved in your transaction.
Gotcha. So if I'm shopping one lender, let's say I'm dealing with a bank,
sure,
and then I'm dealing with you,
right,
I would get what? What am I getting? Is it a cost sheet? Is that what it's?
A cost estimate.
Okay, so I'm getting a cost estimate that has APR on it.
Yes.
And the best APR is probably the best deal?
Absolutely.
Okay, perfect. So that's a great tool for buyers out there to be able to go and find the best deal. All right, so thank you so much for taking the time to help dispel these myths for potential buyers out there. And I guess the last question we have is, how would they get a hold of you to find out what their situation is?
Well, you can either call me, or of course you can apply on my website.
Okay, great. And we can include a link in this on where they can go to apply on the website. And we'll even get you Carrie's number so you can reach out to her. And we'll have our information as well if you wanted to get your house hunt going or had additional questions about other myths that we face every single day. So thank you so much for letting us come to your business today and having us do you as our first business spotlight. So thank you so much.
Thanks.